Have the pink. Look at that. You guys see that? Came with a scratch. Slightly damaged. Well, let's figure out how to get rid of that. I wanted to show you my F-91W, a pink variant, which is the F-91WC. I don't know the rest of the model number, but this one came from, I'm in India, this one came from outside India, and I wanted to show you, it came with a tiny damage. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, reduce the ISO. I'm sure you can see it. It's right there. See, you can see the scratch here. Yeah, I have had a tiny scratch before in one of my other Casio watches, and I got rid of it, and it's like the scratch never happened. So I wanted to show it to you guys how I did it, and I hope it works like it did with the other watch. So let's get started. I'm going to keep this very simple, okay? So I have this scratch remover. This is from my car, and it worked really well for the car, and this worked. I just tried this on my other Casio watch, and the scratch, because there's minor scratches, they just disappear. But you have to really do the work, okay? It's not like you apply ointment on your wound. You have to put in the work. So I have a Q-tip. I'm gonna take some of this scratch remover stuff, okay? Not a lot, so you don't want that getting into those edges and going inside the glass. Okay, so, and this is on the edge, so that's horrible, right? The scratch. So I'm gonna apply it where the scratch is. You see that? Okay. Now, once you've applied it, it's about really rubbing it into the scratch, okay? And you have to apply pressure. You have to apply a lot of pressure, okay? Don't break the Casio though. I mean, Casio as God tier is indestructible, but still, we are humans, we can break anything. Apply plenty pressure. Okay. All right, now look at that. So I have this wipe. All right, just use your gloves to wipe off the alcohol from that wipe. That's a wet wipe, so just try to clean around the area where the scratch was, okay, because that's where you applied that scratch remover. the car scratch remover, guys. It's not even the legitimate scratch remover for any watch because that's the only thing I had. I just had to try. Boom. This is brilliant. Wow. It's like scratch never existed and my heart doesn't ache anymore. My heart is feeling fine because there is no scratch on my new pink F-91W. Wow. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that. I highly recommend this. You can use any scratch remover. I mean, even if it's the one for your car, just apply a little bit of it and then apply some pressure. Use a Q-tip. You can even use a microfiber cloth. Just do the thing, apply pressure and rub it in. Boom. It's gone. Look at that. There is no scratch anymore. So it was right next to the is that the mode button? Yeah, this is the mode button. So it's right next to it on the glass and it's not there anymore. See? You can't see it in the light. So I'll post the before and after. Can you see that? So try that, guys. It really works. This is like a godsend. Well, if you have any minor scratches on your Casio or any other watches, and if you have mineral glass, minor scratches on your mineral glass, it should work like a charm. Boom. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.